Hi friends, this video shows how to install YouTube app. So we can go to Find tab, select this Find tab, then select this search box. So here we can type YouTube, then search and install, or again go to Find tab, then select App Store, then select search in the App Store, then type YouTube here, then search for YouTube, then select the icon of YouTube app, then select get or download, select it. Now it's downloading YouTube app, so please wait. Okay, installation has been completed. So from here we can open YouTube app, or we can go to home screen, then go to home tab. Under home tab, select recently used apps. In this list we can find icon of the YouTube app. From here we can open it, or we can just go to my apps, select my apps. So here also we can find the icon of YouTube. See, select it and open. So this way we can install YouTube app. Just go to App Store, then select search, then search for YouTube, search it and install. That's all. So please try this.